Commander's Log, Stardate 3505.76. Today is the 63rd day of my voyage to the final frontier. This is it. I'm there. The core. I've reached Sagittarius A, and from now on, with each step, I will be farther from home than I've ever been. What does it feel like? Strange? Chilly? Philosophical? Afraid? There are so many words that are coming to my mind, yet I can't decide. I have so many mixed feelings that I just can't put into the right words. But what I do know is that I like it. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been trying to catch up with the bulk of the fleet, and I'd already reached the waypoint 7. If it wasn't for the fact that they started constructing the Explorer's Anchorage space station, I would have probably not made it before they left. Luckily, this kind of project takes some time, so I made it just before the final assembly, and even managed to participate in delivery of a fraction of construction materials. But before I did that, I went on with my exploration and scientific study of the galactic center. It seems that the Earth-like worlds have been very elusive in the past weeks, as I managed to find only one, but one good one. Still, there are so many other types of planets that have been more than plentiful. Of course, the standard water worlds and colorful terraformable high metal content planets were a daily routine, but there have been others, very interesting both visually and scientifically. High stellar proximity gas giants with abundant rings full of mineable minerals, vivid planetary nebulas, even strange tourist installations. But before, above all else, new life forms. I stumbled upon fungal forms called sinuous tubers, a very interesting entities that can have different coloration, but they do emit the same sounds as if something was trying to play a tune by blowing them. Strange, as there was no air present. Then I found another stellar phenomenon, metallic crystals that consist of huge amounts of primordial microorganisms hiding between asteroids in a planetary ring. I also inspected several black holes from a very close proximity, including the Great Annihilator and the huge Sagittarius A. And now I am on the brink of going forward to the edge of the galaxy, the final frontier. Humans have always been trying to go farther, to explore, to expand their perception. Together with my fellow commanders, we are setting on a new chapter of our journey. It might be that we won't see each other in a long time, but that's our call. As Lord Alfred Tennyson said long time ago, we have to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Ojakco, out.
3, 2, 1.